Only this circuit's gonna turn on. I eliminated that one so we won't slip on high hitch. So we have our contactors for each of our condenser fan motors. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna eliminate this. This is the motor that's bad. Why? It's grinding, the bearings are bad. If we leave it on, it's gonna cause the motor to overheat, wires to possibly burn, causing now, instead of only two working and this one giving out, that we're gonna unplug it. But if I leave this one plugged in like that, it's gonna trip on high pressure again, or it's gonna pop my fuses for my condenser fan motor. Now we're gonna be in big trouble having the unit offline again 100%. So always take pictures of the wiring. Number one, we have a schematic that can back us out, but anything three-phase, you want to make sure that you are actually checking color codes, so brown, orange, in order for us to wire it back whenever we do get a chance to get the proper one. So what we're gonna do is eliminate this, put some tape right now, and see if that's the one. The 10 o'clock service call, we got here at 11, and this is at a supermarket. First things first, we had 120 degree, 115 degree rooftop. So what does that mean? That means our condensers are running hot. This unit 50% on. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna isolate one of the compressors, isolate that motor that's bad, and just have 50% going. This is for the warehouse, so we're gonna give them some cooling, and we'll run out to the other unit.